Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a YouTube video to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on my website on a completely empty page. Well, not completely, but it doesn't matter. I just have an empty section which I can use for this tutorial. And now let's get into adding our YouTube video. Now, the first thing we need to do, click on edit, and then what we're gonna do, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on add block, and then from here you're gonna go and click on embed. This is gonna create an embed block which you can embed a URL or a code onto, and let me just extend it a bit. Now that we've added this, we can either click the pen icon or double click it and then embed as a link. Now for this, you just need to paste a link of any YouTube video you would like here, and after we do that, that should be done. As you can see, currently it's searching and it has been successfully located, and now that it located it, this is the video that I've chosen to embed, and that is pretty much it. Now if I go ahead and click save and then exit and then go ahead and play the video, as you'll see, it's pretty much embedded exactly as it should be. You can modify the size of the window to whatever you want. I am pretty sure it is locked to the aspect ratio of YouTube though, so that is pretty much all you can do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.